Can you be arrested for non-payment of traffic fines? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm an attorney. There is a lot of confusion around AARTO, the Administrative Adjudication of Road Traffic Offences Act. It was declared unconstitutional and invalid back by the Pretoria High Court in January, but the Road Traffic Infringement Agency warned that it remains valid until the Constitutional Court decides to scrap it, which has not yet happened. But the short answer is no. You cannot be arrested for non-payment of traffic fines. A provision has been removed from the AARTO Act, which means that motorists cannot be issued with a warrant of arrest for failing to pay their traffic fines. A traffic fine is not a warrant of arrest. An arrest warrant is issued by a judicial officer, not a traffic officer, if a person has been summoned to court and has failed to appear. The means for ensuring that motorists pay their outstanding fines is an enforcement letter. Now, under the amended AARTO process, a motorist found in contravention of regulations will receive an infringement notice. If this is not paid within a set period of time, it is followed by a courtesy letter asking you to pay the full amount plus an additional administrative fee. Now, finally, an enforcement order will be issued if you have not responded to the courtesy letter. The enforcement order is meant to be served by registered mail, and any demerit points you have incurred for the violation will be automatically allocated. You'll be required to pay the full penalty plus representation fees and the fee for the courtesy letter, if any, as well as the prescribed fee of the enforcement order within 32 days. Now, the AARTO Act does not include powers of arrest, as arrest warrants are issued by the courts. Traffic officers are not authorized by any legislation to prevent motorists from proceeding with their journey if they are found to have outstanding traffic fines. For example, in a roadside courtesy check of driver and vehicle licenses. It's also interesting to note that not all speeding offences incur demerit points. Exceeding the speed limit by 11 kilometers per hour to 15 kilometers per hour incurs a fine of 250 Rand but 0 points. From 16 kilometers per hour to 20 kilometers per hour over the speed limit, the fine is 500 Rand and 1 demerit point. The fine number of points increase for each 5 kilometers over the limit. If you're caught going more than 40 kilometers per hour over the speed limit, you'll face a court appearance and 6 demerit points. However, this is not an invitation to speed just a little bit. Speeding is one of the top 3 causes of death in road traffic accidents in South Africa. According to Arrival Live, the severity of a crash increases with speed, and accident avoidance is more difficult at high speed. The likelihood of a death at a collision speed of 80 km per hour is 20 times higher than that at an impact speed of 32 km per hour. Stay safe out there. Obey speed limits. If you make a mistake and receive an infringement notice, pay up. But if for whatever reason you neglect to pay the fine within the stipulated time, you cannot be arrested for it.